under Article 2 of the Constitution, which says that every citizen of this country has a mandate to defend the Constitution. We file a petition before the Constitutional Division of the High Court, where we have raised serious issues. First, there are grounds that the Deputy President has violated the Constitution by promoting ethnicity. We want to put it very clearly that the Deputy President does not have any power to appoint anybody. He is not an appointing authority. All the cabinet, all the 51 or 52 PSs, and you know, are very passionate that I had filed a matter that out of the 52 or 53 PSs, there is none from the Kisii community. That is the role of the president. So anybody trying to say that Rigiji has appointed anybody based on ethnicity, the Deputy President does not have any power at all to appoint even a cleaner.